Creative Infinite Being here, and I just wanted to make this video because I feel it is pretty important. If today's the day that you want to upgrade yourself, go more eco-friendly, if you're an artist and you want to figure out a way to ship your prints with little incense teas, this is what I do. This is my business, and I'm trying to use as little plastic as possible. Okay, I'm not at that point where I'm 100% eco-friendly, compostable, but I've been doing the best I can. I do buy little compostable bags, but sometimes they run out and I don't have an address. So what I'm gonna be doing today is sharing with you how I'm gonna quickly do this with recycled materials, things I did not pay any money for, and it's totally cheap. Okay, so this is eco-friendly because it's like, hey, we can reuse. So basically, I found this piece of cardboard at the side of a grocery store, and what I'm gonna do is take my print and take a marker, measure how big it is. And why I want a thicker piece of cardboard is it acts as a bubble wrap, so then it doesn't bend or break. It has a little bit more water protection. This little plastic sleeve has a little bit more water protection as well. Okay, so I have my little piece of cardboard here to act as, so it doesn't bend as much. And then basically I went to the printer store and they actually did these prints incorrectly. They did not turn out the way that I asked for it, and you should really get what you ask for, what you pay. I'm also in the process of doing more eco-friendly paper, but for now I have all these prints and they look pretty cool, but just not my standard. So what I'm gonna do is kind of like gift wrap this box, and I'm just improvising here. So basically I'm gonna wrap this whole thing in paper, and then this is way less expensive than buying bulk of male bubblers, okay? Male bubblers can be $4, $5 each on that size. This is like $10 for 2 of them, or $3.99 for 1 of them. Yes, it is plastic. It's what I got for right now. Clear tape. I'm gonna clear tape this whole thing together. And I'll meet you in the next. This is a great way to save money and have less waste. These prints are all recycled material. They didn't cost me anything. They were given to me for free, so let's do it. Okay, so it turned out really cool. So recycled art prints, and I just used that tape, really cool deer. And I love this paper because I did use a thicker, glossier paper with the tape, totally free besides the purchase of the tape. And next what I'm gonna do is just to make it so it's easy for the post office people, I happen to have this blue paper. You can use whatever you'd like, but this is gonna be where I'm gonna write the person's name to send it to, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put my business address right here. And then I'm just gonna completely cover this with tape so then it's waterproof. And then I'm just gonna send it out. And that's really, really awesome way to save money and, you know, just make it happen with what you got. And be friendly to the earth, you know? Because being an artist can be very wasteful. What's up, family? So out in California, it's very expensive, so I'm just saving money by making my own mailer. This is how it turned out. Used less paper than I did. My business address, the person's address right here, lovely customer, family member, and then of course I am a little extra, and I always gotta have my little protection sigil, good vibe energy from when it arrives, so this may arrive smoothly. I'm really happy about how it turned out. It seems like it's very durable with the cardboard in there, alright, very waterproof. So may this inspire you to make your own mailer with what you already have lying around the house. always just be collecting papers and newspapers. Get creative. If you're shipping something that's already in a box, tape that box and use that. So may this video be useful for you and inspire you to do more of being the change you want to see in this world. Less consumerism and more conscious creativity. Peace out, family.